and gentlemen.
Hi guys, well, I've been thinking, how the muck with the capital F do you make a panel when you haven't got any tools? This is the panel, the inner door panel. So I've decided I'm going to make a test panel, modifying the tools that I've got, use them incorrectly. Let's see if we can do it. So without further ado, as someone else said, let's begin. 20mm, 25mm. And our flange is just run. And our flange is going to run up here. Trick, very similar. We're now going to mark this bend on here, on the other side. It's this way. Right, go to the vendor again. Just to line up that line. Now you notice I have a problem. I can't get in near enough. So what do you reckon? A couple of degrees more? Wait, let's try it. See, I'm just using it. Right. Have a look at that. Near enough. Draw my line. A 1/2" drill. I don't need a round hole because we're going to punch it. So just punch it through. So we've punched our pilot hole. These are our series. So now we take it apart. We'll punch this hole. We'll mark that one, and then we'll put the dimples in. Right. There's my all the way down. And then use this punch as the inner dimple. So this goes on, dimple. Die off. And there we have 2 dimples. The next job we're going to do the blind dimples. That's going to strengthen it up because these strengthen it across. Stop it bending. We've got one here and we'll have a flange there. So we don't want it to be able to fold. We'll put 2 in there. That will stress the metal a bit. That's going to kink this edge, but that's fine because this edge is going against the flange, which is 3 metals thick. So that will clamp up flat. This one's already flat because it's got the bend line in it. I'll show you how to make a simple dimple line. Put the dimples, and I want to put them sort of central. So eyeball again, middle, about there, centre's about there. I'll put one there, Put one about there maybe. I'm going to draw around that. Then we go over to the press and we'll whack them in. 2 hands are needed. Just a smiley face. Just a socket. I don't fix it down. Line it up. Right. Clamp it. You can try it on some test pieces, then you can adjust it for centre, but we don't really care, we're just showing you the idea. So, let me set the camera on the tripod because I need 2 hands for this. So bear with me. Check my alignment again. Cool. And I'm just lining that circle up roughly with that. I'm holding it up. Okay, we have lock now. Did you see? Right. Ours comes up there. There we got it. So on mine, I'm just going to come up here. So I'm going to mark my line. I'm going to make the incision. And then I'll bend it down. So you see I marked 2 lines. This one's my cut line. This line is where I'm going to bend it. Right. You can see I've cut that now. If I just bend that now, this edge, when it comes down, it's going to end up here. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to flatten this bend out here. Right across. So when I bend that down, it should sit on here. We're going to end up short there, but it doesn't matter. So I'm going to flatten this, put my bend in there, and then I'll have a line I'll be able to cut down, and I'll just get a run of jobber weld along there. So let's flatten it. So I flattened it. Now we've got to see how we're going to just put that little bend on. I'm going to try and sneak it in on the edge here. I just want to get just a start line. So I get a knife, if I get 4 degrees, I'll get a bend line, and then I can just tap it around the hammer. So let me set it up, there we go. So you can see, I'll just cut my taps with the hammer, and then I can seam weld it up here with the top clean edge. And we can mark the other side exactly where we want. And then we can cut that out, and we've got an exact piece that will fit perfectly. So let me mark that. Okay, I've marked it. I've just marked it so that we can see we've got this nice curve. And we can cut that with an angle grinder. So for cutting this, I'm going to use this grinder. It's a small lightweight one. The plasma cutting disc, 1.2mm thick. It's a full disc, I haven't got any small discs. But when we're cutting curves, we're not cutting through like this. We want to cut just on the top here. And then as we cut through, we can come round. So you need 2 hands. You need a light grinder and a keen eye, but it's not hard. I'll show you how we do it. Right, clamp my metal down. I'm going to cut here, obviously overhanging. When we cut, we're going to hold the grinder dead upright like this. And then we're going to trim around there. move the clamp over a bit. You can see I'm not cutting through in one go, I'm just gradually doing it. So. Still in the way. I'll move it here. And we'll cut round, and then I'll move it back and we'll cut through it. Carry on.